You can rest assured that Dakota County's election results are always accurate. Here's why. For starters, we only use federally certified voting equipment that's also certified by the state of Minnesota. That means it's been thoroughly tested before we even buy it. Then we test it again.
Prior to every election, you have to conduct preliminary testing on every piece of equipment that you intend to use, and then you need to conduct a public accuracy test, which is a public demonstration of basically the same thing.
First, we test all of the functional groups on the ballot counter, things like the printer, scanner, and display. Then we move on to counting the test ballots.
We have a spreadsheet that shows you the candidates and the ballots, and you can see exactly where they're supposed to be marked. And we run those through the ballot counter, and once we get a perfect test, which we always do, we are able to certify that equipment.
Election judges watch all of the testing and verify that the results are what they should be. We do this for every ballot counter that's used every election.
After they're done testing the ballot counter, what they'll do is they'll come through and they'll put a seal on this machine that's got a number on it. We'll log the seal, and then when we go to use the ballot counter on election day, the election judges will make sure that that's the same seal that was put on there.
The machines are always kept under physical lock and key, with only select staffers having access to them. To even turn on the machine, you need to know both the password and plug in a special fob. They're also never connected to Wi-Fi.
What we're implementing this year is a cellular modem that'll use what Verizon calls a zero tunnel. It doesn't even go over the internet. Once it enters the Verizon network, it goes through that network until it emerges just outside of our data center.
Each machine prints at least 3 hard copies of the results before electronically transmitting the results. The electronic transmission is what we use to provide unofficial results on our webpage on election night.
Those hard copies that we collect are the ones that we proof, and they're the ones that actually the canvassing board certifies. Transmitting the results electronically is actually just a convenience to get the results to the public quicker.